mandatory reporter if you were to take me over to...
Yeah, you won't get paid nothing.
Oh, you don't get paid as a court reporter?
Yeah.
You get paid as a court reporter? How much would you get paid for calling somebody crazy?
What do you want to do? You eat it here?
150 for each
Yeah,
head?
I'm gonna get it.
What do you want to do?
150 for each head?
Mhm.
And is that like just one-time payment, or is that a
Yeah,
payment that
We
like
have chili, we have beans, we have
for every day?
cheese. But over here we have all the vegetables. You can put coleslaw on it. You can put onions, peppers, cheese, whatever.
And then as a,
I want onion.
I don't eat onions off mine
Why?
because they suck the toxins out of the air. They're air purifiers.
I don't want no onion.
I can use some onions in the bag in here if I make some. All I have to chop it up. I had to chop it.
No, you ain't gotta chop no. Just give me some tomatoes and a little
You didn't know
mustard.
that?
A little mustard.
You didn't know that? Onions are
No, I didn't know
they're air
that.
purifiers.
and then how much would you get paid? You said it was a one-time payment of 50 for in Chicago?
Yeah, yeah.
So it would be $200 altogether, minus the mileage that it would take to get me over there. So really, you'd be losing, right? With the,
Yeah.
with the.
That's why I don't think.
Oh, okay, good. I mean, it would make sense if you took a whole, let's say, truckload of people, made it worth your while. But can you do that too?
You could.
I
You could
can.
come U-Haul like Elon and them did.
Yeah, I can. You got your hot dog already?
No, I didn't get a hot dog today. I had sweet potato. Yep, I had a sweet potato. Sweet potato and a half, I think. So, yeah. And then put it in a chip. Sweet potato chips.
Yeah, you didn't
Potato chips are kind of tasty, aren't they?
Tomatoes are onions are air purifiers?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. That's why I won't eat them on a what do you call it? Like a buffet and stuff.
Yeah.
I used to love them, but they're
What about the green onion?
no, those are fine.
Well, my neighbor broke, he broke one like 2 days ago.
Yeah, but
Guess what found and it came up?
what?
Avocado.
I love avocado.
Ain't got no avocado on it yet. It's about that big.
I got two in my fridge. You know, if you plant the seed from a really good avocado, it doesn't matter. It might not sprout right. But it doesn't matter if the parent was good or not. That's why they tell you to slice them instead of cutting them.
So one day, I ended up wanting to start a compost little Ziploc bag in Connecticut. So I have a napkin that's biodegradable, and I have an avocado pit, and I put it on the top of the refrigerator because I didn't want it to get thrown away in the trash because I was trying to compost and be all, earth friendly and stuff. So I go back to put more things like onions and shallots and other things in there a couple of days later after I cooked. And then what happened? It had sprouted. It had sprouted two little, like a stem and two little leaves. I was like, what? I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah.
Nope. Just left it alone with a napkin.
years for avocado to mature though.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
It do?
Yeah.
So I got like 8 years.
Yep.
I'm cutting them all down. Well, I'm about a year old now.
You didn't know that?
No.
It's gonna take forever. It's like 14 years for a pecan. Which one is pecan or pistachio? One of them takes 14 years.
Really?
It's insane. I don't remember if it's pecan or pistachio. Yeah, one of them takes forever. It's a labor of love. Man. I want fig trees, but they don't really grow that good here unless it's super ultra water them because,
Right. I
right?
like bigs too.
I love figs. I grew up eating figs. We had 4 big fig trees in our yard in Texas, and I used to run around eating figs all summer and shit. blackberries and strawberries. I got over the strawberries. So I'm just gonna ask. Go over to the kids tomorrow.
You get a hot dog with them?
Oh, yeah. Can't you see the outfit?
Oh,
I'm a hot dog today.
no.
Mm-hmm.
They're last.
They're under there. They're not working right now.
Oh.
She hasn't rated the eBay sale bins that have more of them. So I'm stuck with those ones, and I haven't put an elastic band around them yet.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. You know, it would be really unfortunate if anybody were to do something silly like put me in a hospital like that, because, you know, I hear kids really need their parents. And they turn out, you know, all psychopathy and stuff if they don't have their parents.
You got her trouble.
You're not going to the fourth floor.
Oh, I know I'm not.
There you go.
The only way I'm going to the fourth floor is if I'm getting paid to be there and help other people. Because I'd be good at that.
Why you won't go apply to see this thing?
Yeah, huh? I see this.
Well, you know, I need my birth certificate first, and then I need my social security card again.
Well, you're gonna need your social security card, but
Yeah,
they
you
ain't gonna wanna see your birth certificate.
No.
They is gonna wanna see your social though.
Yeah.
Get an ID.
You ain't got an ID with your social on it?
No.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, was the name good?
There you go.
So I just need
Go to
the
Indeed,
That's
that's
right there, yeah.
put an application.
I got no felonies, so I don't know why I shouldn't.
Yeah, you should.
You should, you keep up with me, you gonna have one.
No.
I'm gonna say you grab my arm and you twist me.
I'm going to say there's a camera right there that proves otherwise. You reach for my phone.
Where is that?
It's here.
I don't know why the little boy might come in and rob us. That's only one.
You gonna rob the place? What, you gonna steal all the hot dogs?
Yeah.
What kind of money do you think we got here?
Yeah, give them away for free.
You're gonna give all the hot dogs away for free, huh?
Brown might have crossed that.
You know, coming up in Chicago, I never thought about doing that like that. People breaking people's houses all the time. But
Oh yeah,
you
for a
don't
hot
know-
dog.
You don't know who in
For
there.
a hot dog.
Nacho
Yeah.
cheese or shredded cheese?
I'll steal your car.
I mean,
But I won't go in your house.
Nacho cheese or shredded cheese, sauerkraut, and what?
you'll steal a car, you'll steal the hot dogs. You're gonna steal the spoons too? Are you really that hard up working at Sebhs that you steal something from this place? You work at Sebhs and you want to steal? You know, I was raised on this movie called The Buttercream Gang. Have you ever seen it? You should watch it sometime.
What's the
Now,
name of it?
Buttercream Gang.
Buttercream.
Let's see if it's on YouTube. You can sit here and watch it.
Walk me through. Don't remove it yet. Hold on. Okay. So.
I just need the name of it.
Or no?
Yeah, Buttercream Gang. Let's see if it's on YouTube.
There you go. That'll be right with you. You must sit down and do right out.
So where your cat at?
Where is my cat? That is a good question. I am about to go to Walgreens and make a poster to find out.
Oh, you never found him?
No, not yet.
Oh, I thought she had found him.
No, not yet.
Too, but the people said that they
Did
don't
you
even
go
own
to-
it.
did
They
you-
said they don't even own a cat. If you saw a black cat in the window.
Did you contact the Humane Society?
I did call the Humane
You gotta
Society,
keep
and do you
calling
know
them.
what they told me?
You gotta keep calling them. Every day you gotta call them.
Do you know what they told me?
What?
I told them I don't want my cat spayed or neutered, so I'm gonna create a poster. I don't want you to know when my cat is. So I'm just asking the
But
neighbors.
legally, if they pick her up, you have to call every single day.
I know, but what I said to them,
You have
Is-
the right to not get her spayed.
yeah, I love that idea. But what they said is they won't release legally if they pick it up. They won't release it until it's spayed.
Yeah,
They
they're
did,
liars.
they did Buster like that. Remember Buster, when they had Buster, my kid?
Oh yeah, cheating dad.
They
Want to
wanted-
see me
yeah.
go all pagan, witchy, and stuff like that? I will put together a spell that like fucks up all the body parts, like all the reproductive organs of anyone who tried to spay and neuter, or did
So you're
spay and
a
neuter
witch?
my cat.
You're
Huh?
a witch.
Huh?
You're a witch.
No,
You said you'd make a spell.
I mean, honestly, if something happened to your one of your kids, if somebody under the age, or if somebody decided to take away the reproductive parts of one of your children, if they were underage, what would you do?
Somebody took my son alive. I'd be glad.
I hear you on that.
But I think once he died, they brought him back in court.
Which one's
So
that too?
it turned from, I think, attempt manslaughter to murder. So my son died from an accident.
What happened?
He got in a car accident in Montana. He was coming out the gas station, the truck was going too fast and ran into the side of his car. He had a little car smaller than mine.
Oh, wow. Nothing left, huh?
Paramedics said just to look at him, they say he consider him dead. But by law, they had to check for a fault.
They left Cornelius, back in the day, they left him on the side. They thought he was dead because his brain was exposed.
Yeah, that's why they changed it. Now they gotta check for a fault.
Yeah.
Don't care how they look, what's hanging out.
Had they checked him and gotten him medevac in time, he would have been fine. Well, not fine, but you know what I mean? He would have been better, but. Yeah, they didn't do none of that, so.
I mean, if she's under a year old, I think she would be about the age of 15 or 14. And to me, like, I mean,
Yeah, but she's not a person.
yes,
So
but
she's mature, when animals reach maturity, when they reach sexual maturity, pretty much.
I don't necessarily agree, but, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah, they say after a year is when they're old enough. I believe it's after a year.
What, a cat?
What?
Come on, a cat?
Yeah.
All right, here's your TV show for today, your movie. Put on a movie for you. You're responsible for having your own popcorn. You got a drink, right?